In this guide, I'm going to clarify whether you can change birth date on TikTok or not. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to profile page, click on three bars, head over to the option settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option help. Click on the option chat with us. From there, select account from the list of available topics. You should then see an option that says I want to update my birth date. Tap on that option to view TikTok instructions for requesting a date of birth change. TikTok may ask you to verify your identity before making any changes, so be prepared to provide a valid government ID or other supporting documents if requested. Follow on-screen steps, submit the required information, and wait for TikTok support team to review your request. Once your information has been verified, TikTok will let you know whether the change has been approved. And that's basically it. You now know how to request a birthday change on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.